Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, it is that time for a Temu haul. Most of the items that I'm going to show you are jewelry pieces. So I did get quite a bit of jewelry pieces. I know you guys love them. Whenever I do a jewelry haul, you guys go nuts for it. So yes, I did pick up several jewelry pieces. I do also have other like accessories that I wanted to pick up and show you guys. Some are repurchased. We're going to get right into it. But before we begin, this video is in collaboration with Temu. So a big thank you to Temu for sending all of these pieces to me. And I will have everything linked down below in the description box and also in the comment section. So if you guys are interested in anything that I'm going to show you, just know that it will be linked down below. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First off are these right here. I saw these online and I just thought these were stunning. They're a set of like plastic rings. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 rings, guys. These are so pretty. Now it doesn't say what size they are. But I'm like a 6 and a 7 depending on which finger. Oh my gosh, look at them. They are gorgeous. I'm really glad some of them fit here because I'm really hoping this actually fits here. Let me see, because this one is like the biggest one. Yeah, this is actually adjustable. This is the only one that's adjustable. Do you see that? It's like open. Oh, I'm so glad it fits here because I wanted this to fit here. You see how nice and bold it is? Super chunky. So I'm going to show you guys all of them on my finger because why not? They are stunning. You can wear these separately or you can wear them all together, like stacked if you want them. They all have different shades of brown and they're so pretty. I just love the different shades of colors that they come in, and they're just so gorgeous. They are plastic, like I said, and a really great quality. You don't have to worry about these ever tarnishing. You could wash your hands and they are great. So this comes in a set of 7, like I said, and this is $2.96. I think that is such a great deal. I'm really looking forward to wearing these because they're so cute. I've always loved this style rings. They're just very unique. And of course, they're perfect. If you're going to go to the pool, you don't have to worry about them tarnishing either. Moving on to this ring right here. This is a look for less. I am loving this ring. This one is so cute. I did get in a size 7. Let's see if it fits because I'm really hoping it does. So it's like a chain necklace. Do you see that? So it moves. But I'll definitely say it's a little fitted, maybe because of it moving and it being like thick, but it does fit nicely. Do you see that? It is a really nice, like sturdy ring. It's very comfortable to wear as well. So this one, let's see how much this is. This was $2.29 and it is stainless steel. So it looks like this close up and I just think it's really pretty. I do wish I got in an 8 because I don't know, for some reason this actually runs a little small for a size 8. It's a really great quality ring, and the fact that it's stainless steel, you don't have to worry about it tarnishing. I have purchased a lot of jewelry from Temu. I would definitely have to say they're really great quality. The next ring has been on my wish list. It is a look for less. I really love this. It does look like this, so it is together. Do you see that? There's like 3 rings that are together. Here's a close-up, and it is really nice, like really great quality. I love it. It has like little rhinestones and Roman numerals. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. So this is only $3.03. This is sterling silver. The gold tone is a hot seller, but they do also have, I believe, rose gold. Yeah, and silver if that's what you're into. But I wanted to get this in the gold. I think this is really pretty. Very great quality. Do wish I sized up on this because whenever it comes to rings like this that are a little bit more chunky, it does feel more tight on your finger. On to some earrings. I thought this was really pretty, very like minimalistic. It is these like drop earrings and they look like this. They're really pretty. And I like the fact that they're lightweight. You could definitely feel like it's like not heavy, but it has like a nice weight to it, but at the same time it's light where it doesn't hurt your ears. These are $1.28 and I think these are very well worth it. I love the way they look. I just think these will go with any of your looks. They're very like minimalistic, like I said, but at the same time super cute. It's just like a little drop earring. It is so cute. I'm definitely looking forward to wearing this for the spring and summertime, and for $128, I think that is well worth it. Moving on to this ring right here. So I got this like eternity style band ring. This one is $1.16. I got in the size 7, and it does say that it's titanium steel. I really love it. Do you see how this is a 7 and it fits me here? Because I am a 7 here, I'm a 6 here, but when it comes to bigger rings like this, when it's a 7, it does not, like, it fits, but it's a little tight. You see how this is like thick? It does not fit here. It only fits right here. And even here is a little tight. I kind of was struggling taking it off. I would definitely recommend that you size up by 1 or 2. I should have gotten an 8. Like I said, this is true to size when it comes to the 7. It is really nice. I love this. I'm looking forward to wearing this. I think I'm going to wear this when I go out tomorrow, because I am going out, and I think this is cute. It's like a really cute statement. I have to say the polishing on this is very smooth. It has like that smooth, amazing polishing on it, and it has like rhinestones going all the way around. This is perfect for stacking your rings. Next off, I got some bracelets. These come in a 3-pack. And this I thought was really cute. I am looking forward to wearing these stacked. You can wear them separately or stack them up with other jewelry pieces, but I do think that these actually look really pretty together. This is $1.42, and it's three-piece snake bone stacked bracelet set. It only comes in the gold tone. It doesn't have the silver, but oh my gosh, this is so pretty. This is stretchy, by the way. You could just put it on like so, but then these are adjustable, so you can adjust them as you please. I like the chain right here, the way it looks, and then this one is like a snake chain. They're just so gorgeous. Look at that. They're so pretty. I think I'm wearing these bracelets with the drop earrings. I think that would be really pretty. And I have to say the quality of this gold tone is really good. It's not like one of those cheap gold. On to this really cute chunky ring. Now this one I got it in the gold, but they also have in the silver and like a gunmetal, but the gold is the hot seller. This is $1.48, and I got in the size 7. It does fit, so it is a true size 7. Even though this is chunky, it fits. I did want to get it for this finger right here because I just love how it looks on my pointer finger. So yeah, you can easily take it off, no problem at all. And I really love how it looks. Look at that detail. Do you see that? It is so pretty. So this one is $1.48. Like I said, I got in a size 7. I love the polishing on it. It's really nicely polished and smooth. And it is a really good quality gold as well. Like a really nice gold tone. On to a really cute piece that I've been wanting to pick up. I've seen these for a while, but I finally decided to pick them up. And they're really affordable. These were $1.04. They are the Daisy stud earrings. They are so pretty. They're like a resin material. They are gorgeous. It's like the perfect amount of statement, but it's not too much. And I like the fact that they're lightweight, so they're not heavy whatsoever, but they're really great quality. You have to see these in person to actually understand how beautiful they are. I would definitely say out of all the jewelry pieces that I picked up, these are one of my favorites. There's something about them. They look so pretty. They kind of have like a pearl finish to them, and then it has like the gold in the middle. It is gorgeous. Onto these, which I thought they were very interesting. So these are called the invisible hair volumizing clips. They're 94 cents. They do come in different colors. I got the dark brown. They look like this. So basically what you do is you clip this under your hair. So if you're wearing your hair down and you want some extra volume, you can clip this underneath your hair like that, and it gives you a little bit extra volume. I got it because my hair lacks volume a lot of times. Like I put my hair in a bun a lot because on day 2 or 3 of not washing my hair, it tends to get greasy and flat. So I like to have some extra volume. So I decided to get these, and I just thought these were really cool. It has like these grippy look to it. Do you see how it looks? And I thought that would be really nice. Have them in different shades. Also got these. These are like, what are they called? They're called U-shaped hair fork pins barrettes. Comes in a 3-pack for $2.68. They look like this. This is like a pearl white. There's this one with teal and brown, and then there's this one which is like brown neutral. And this is basically, you could put your hair in a clip like so. I'm going to show you guys the model so you guys can see how it looks on the model. It looks like that on the model, and I just love the way that looks. They're only $2.68 for a 3-pack. Onto this, I really love this hair accessory, but I think I got it in the wrong color. So it does come in the color black, a black brown, a dark brown, and light brown. I should have got the dark brown because this is the black brown, and if I'm not mistaken, this looks way too dark for me. Like, I know it looks really dark right now because my hair is kind of oily. I am planning on wearing this when I have my hair up like this, and also when I have it down. Let me know, guys. Does it look like it's too dark, or is it just me? I don't know. I don't know, but it is very comfortable, I have to say. This is one of those really stretchy headbands, so if you want to stretch it out a little more and your head is sensitive to headbands, it's one of those that you can stretch them out. They're very comfortable. It's really cute. I love the way it has like braiding on it, so it looks like you took your time doing your hair. Only thing I will say that I don't like about this is the fact that it's way too shiny, to the point that I feel like it's obvious that I'm wearing a headband. But does it matter really? I don't know. I think it still looks really pretty. Moving on to these. I got a 50-pack of, they call them the antioxidant jewelry bags. I got them in a 50-pack. They also come in a 100-pack. But I only wanted to get this in the 50-pack because I think these are cool, especially if you give someone some really cute jewelry pieces and you want to have them in separate little packs. They look like this, and you could put your jewelry pieces in here, and I think that would be really, really cute. You can also use this for storage. If you want to store your jewelry that way, you can. For me personally, I will not do that. I actually bought these for gift giving and just, you know, putting the jewelry pieces in here because I like the way these look. I think these are really cute. The only thing I will say is that they are smaller size, so if you have like a big jewelry piece, it might not fit. But if you have like regular dainty, you know, necklaces, bracelets, earrings, I think these are perfect. A really great quality as well. And for the 50-pack, it's only $1.91. Last two items is one of my favorite finds. First off, it has to be this candy dish. This was $4.43. Call this a jewelry storage jar. It is the cutest thing. This one is for $3.63, and it only comes in one size. I just think it's so pretty. You can use this for like your dainty jewelry if you wanna. You could put it like next to your bathroom, throw your little jewelry pieces in there and close it, or you can use it for like little candy if you want. But then again, you could just use it for decor, really. I love the way this looks. I just think it is so pretty. I'm really into like the clear glass. I just think it's so cute. I love it. I am not sure what I'm going to use it for yet. I might use this for my like my medicine and my vitamins. So I do take my thyroid medicine in the morning, and I also take my vitamins, so I'm debating on putting it in here. So when I wake up in the morning, I just take it and close it, and I just think that would be really cute. The only thing I will say is I thought it was a lot bigger, but it's not, but I'm okay with it. I just think it is very cute. Last but not least, this is a repurchase. I did run out of my these facial towels, so I decided to get another one. There comes in the 50-pack or 100-pack. I got the 100-pack for $3, and oh my gosh, guys, these are must-have. I've repurchased these so many times. They're so good. To open them up, it has this little area right here that just opens like so, and they are so soft. Every time I wash my hands, not my hands, my face, I always use this to dry off. Sometimes I do have to use two. I know they have these also in like the extra large size, but I do get this, and it just cleans your face. The reason why I prefer to use the disposable face towels compared to the reusable, and I do have the reusable ones, I prefer to use these. It helps so that way you don't get breakouts, and it's like the cleanest way to dry your face. I did watch other girls on YouTube talk about these, and I was like, you know what, I have to try it. Ever since I tried it, guys, I absolutely love them. I just think they are really nice, very soft. They're more like a really sturdy sturdy materials, so you don't have to worry about them falling apart or ripping. They're not like paper towels. They are real like face towels, but they're disposable, so after one use you throw them away. And I like that you can use them to remove your makeup, you can use them to dry your face. They're just amazing. One of my favorites. That is it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're still watching, you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button right now. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that way YouTube will notify you every time I post a new video. I do post a lot of TEMU videos. I especially love to do TEMU jewelry hauls and accessories and things that come out that I think are interesting. I absolutely love accessories and jewelry in general. So if you guys like that type of content and fashion and lifestyle videos, make sure you click that subscribe button. Until next time, God bless, and as we say in Romanian, la revedere.